Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Bramble Fox where I am going to be using their Fox box for March and then one of their stencils inside their shop. Now that's the March Fox box, and I am actually taking the word fun, seen and noted, and smile and using that. So some way, shape, and form. Okay. I got frustrated with this. I will tell you that. This is the second time I had to film this layout because it frustrated me so much. But I ended up just doing what I was going to originally do in the beginning, and I should have stuck to that. I did film some of the first one, and then I'm like, I'm not even going to show it. I am done. I'm over it. So I got rid of it, and then I was like, nope, I'm done. Then I came in with one of their, so I did the star stencil, and then I came in with this like paint splatter, or whatever you want to call it. Like to me it looks like paint dropped and it like dribbled everywhere, and that's what I'm using here. So I'm taking my Close to My Heart ink and doing that, and the blue stars is the broken china from for Distress Oxides that you see up in the corner. And I'm just placing these in different spots. And I'm just going in and I'm looking and I'm like, what do I want to make this background look very, very distinct, but very flat, but still giving that dimensional style look. So I'm just going through and I'm going like, okay, this looks good. I'm like, yep, this is good. Then I'm going to intensify these hearts or these stars. And I take my pen and I'm just going along, and that's what's going to give this more dimension. And then I start to do the circles. So I do quite a bit of doodling, and then I come back and I'm done. And I did intensify the circles that are around. And then I took, and the one thing that I like about the new Distress Oxides, or having the Distress Oxides compared to maybe some of the other ink pads that you can get, I like that you can squish some of the ink into their cover and turn that into the pad. And that's what I'm doing here. And I'm splattering. Now, on camera, you may not be able to see the splatters like I'm splattering, but they're there and they're very subtle, but it adds just that little bit more dimension that I need in the in the layout. And I am scrapbooking the next time the next set of photos that we went to for Lake Constance, and this is what they call Monkey Mountain, and you literally walk around with a bunch of monkeys and you feed them and wait until you see some of the photos. So this particular photo is this guy is munching on some food that they got from the owners or like the zookeepers or whatever. And I had to let this dry, and then I got crazy in school, and so I had to come back a little bit later to do this. Now, you will see my smile was correct with the arrow, and then some way, shape, and form from the one time that I did it to the next, it broke. And I didn't see it right away, but you will see, even though that these are acrylic pieces for you can still cut it down. You'll see what I did. And it didn't wreck my scissors or anything. I promise you. It didn't give it like a gouge or any of that, because I'm looking at it just to like confirm there's no gouge. You will see. And it works out wonderful. Just even cutting that arrow off, because it was fine when I got it out. Don't know what happened prior. I can't figure that out. But I do pull out and I leave this. At first I was like, oh, I'll just start adding some color to it. And I'm like, wait a minute, I've literally got a monochromatic style layout here where I'm using all blues, and I haven't done that in a very long time, and I didn't even do that like intentionally, like it just happened. So I take up these boxes, and I just kind of wanted to add a couple more boxes to this layout because of like making it more going down the page with the stars kind of coming up the page. So I put that one as seen and noted. And this is just one of the monkeys. You will see me. Normally I don't do just one layout, but I really wanted to showcase these two stencils because I really like how they were. And here, this is where I'm like, what in the world? So you'll see me. I just snip, gone, and put it on, and you can't even tell that it was supposed to be an arrow. And it works out wonderful. And it just says smile while he's eating. Something simple. And then I take the rest of the blue, because this matches the broken china, I feel, really well. And then that is it. You will see me come in with a little pen and do a little bit more doodling, and then that is it. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I am under 20 subscribers to 3,000 subscribers, and I would love to have you. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do design teams, all of that fun stuff, collaborations, all of that. So I would love to have you part of my YouTube family. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.